There's a truly moving company that's largely going unnoticed. Its name is Wearable Devices, and it announced the launch of an innovative project to advance human-machine interfaces, HMI, for military applications. The company is developing a touchless neural control system based on their proprietary neural interface technology that would enable soldiers to interact with communication and control systems using intuitive gestures, without compromising their tactical readiness. The project integrates advanced AI-driven sensors to interpret subtle movements, potentially setting a new standard for military HMI by overcoming traditional limitations in battlefield technology. According to Asher Dahan, Chief Executive Officer of Wearable Devices, this project represents a promising step in redefining tactical interfaces for modern warfare, with the potential to empower soldiers with greater control and flexibility. This development is part of Wearable Devices' efforts to expand its footprint in the defense sector, alongside its consumer and enterprise markets. The company has been awarded a continuation patent covering neural gesture interface advancements, which enhances seamless gesture recognition for natural, touchless control in augmented reality, AR, smart devices, and wearable interfaces. The newly granted patent provides a novel solution to accurately extract start and end points from continuous gestures, enabling devices to recognize genuine intent and support seamless control gestures. The company's proprietary neural interface technologies have the potential to enable a world where natural human intent seamlessly bridges into digital systems, unlocking richer user experiences and more accessible technology for all. With this continuation patent now granted, Wearable Devices has fortified the intellectual property around its gesture recognition engine, ensuring users enjoy the most fluid and intuitive control experience possible. This innovation is ideally suited for use in AR and XR headsets, gesture-controlled consumer electronics and smart devices, and wearable controllers utilizing cameras, inertial measurement unit sensors, or EMG-based muscle activity detection. This patent builds on the foundation from the Mudra line of products, which reached into the Far East with an earlier collaboration with a leading e-commerce company in Japan to serve as a non-exclusive reseller of its innovative Mudra Band and Mudra Link products in the Japanese market. This collaboration aims to enhance the availability of wearable devices, neural interface products in Japan, leveraging Media Exceed's robust e-commerce platform and market expertise. The Mudra Band and Mudra Link utilize proprietary surface nerve conductance sensors to detect neural signals from subtle finger movements, enabling touchless control of digital devices. Essentially, it's a neural input wristband for hands-free, gesture-based control of digital devices using neural signals. The Mudra Link works seamlessly across platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, and is natively compatible with leading AR glasses. And back at the start of the year, the Mudra Link product was showcased at CES 2025, where it received an Innovation Award in the XR Technologies and Accessories category. Media Exceed will offer these products through its online platforms, providing Japanese consumers with direct access to wearable devices technology. According to Asher Dahan, Chief Executive Officer of Wearable Devices, this collaboration aligns with the company's goal of expanding its global footprint and making its products more accessible to users worldwide. In addition to its collaboration with Media Exceed and its exhibition at XR Fair Tokyo, Wearable Devices has been advancing its AI health monitoring platform, which has the potential to enable predictive health monitoring and cognitive state analytics. The company's Large Motor Unit Action Potential Model, LMM, approach to analyzing muscle activity signals will support the expansion into the field of health monitoring, enabling users to enhance their performance across various domains. Wearable Devices aims to make LMM available to enterprises, researchers, and developers, enabling businesses to develop custom applications tailored to healthcare and sports, integrate real-time physiological insights into enterprise solutions, and leverage LMM's AI engine to continuously refine predictive health and interaction models. Definitely moving stuff. For more on wearable devices, other stocks, and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.